Hello, welcome back to Rafael Cooking Style, your YouTube cooking channel. Look what I bring you today. Broccoli, kind of Asian style, but pure freestyle. I just came up with this idea, just thinking another way of eating broccoli because veggies are a must in our daily food. So it started all with garlic. Stir fry a little bit of garlic in hot oil and gochujang chili paste. Chili paste is optional, but it brings you a nice touch, to the food. But it's optional if you don't like spicy food, Just don't burn it, just stir fry that the oil gets the aroma from the garlic and the spiciness from the sweet chili paste, And just like that, then we add our broccoli. Look, just like that, we'll start adding our broccoli. I washed and cut our broccoli. This is just around, I guess they are half a kilo of broccoli. This is perfect for a side. I did it I did some chicken with this, just breaded chicken on the pan, and that's as a side. Then we're gonna season it with a little bit of salt. And I add a little bit of sweet soya sauce. Just like that, pure freestyle, no measurements, just the eye touch. And just mix all together. I add half a lemon, no seeds, we don't want seeds. So half a lemon, squeeze it. Little bit of sourness to the broccoli. It was very nice. The result of it was very nice. I'm recording the audio afterwards, so it was a nice way to eat the broccoli. We reduce the heat because we don't want to burn it, but we also don't want to overcook it. It's just around 2 minutes, in the wok. They have to be crunchy. If they are overcooked, they are it's a bad broccoli. You will hate it, Just leave it crunchy. You can eat it fast, uncooked, but just this slightly cooked is just to bring it warm, a little bit to incorporate all the flavors, and then we are just ready to serve it, Just serve it on the plate and just top it a little bit with the sesame seeds. And there you are, just like that. So if you like the video and you like the channel, please do not hesitate and subscribe. Leave your comment here in the comment box if you have any comment or any question. There are a bunch of videos behind this one that may be interesting for you. So sesame seeds, and just wish you a nice journey. Take care and cheers.